Diet can play a very essential role in the treatment of psoriasis, as there are foods that help to relieve certain symptoms. On the other hand, some types of food can also start flare-ups. A psoriasis diet should be rich in anti-inflammatory and detoxifying foods, such as fish, seeds, and fruit. You should avoid food that causes inflammation like red meat and processed products. To correctly adapt your diet, it is very crucial you consult a registered dietitian, who will create a diet plan based on your own special preferences and health goals. Allowed foods. The foods that are allowed and can be eaten regularly include whole grains. Whole grains are carbohydrates that contain a lower glycemic index, which is also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Food that has a low glycemic index can reduce inflammation, and consequently the symptoms of psoriasis. Examples: whole grain bread, whole grain pasta or egg pasta, brown or parboiled rice, corn, and oats. Fatty fish. Fatty fish is an important source of omega-3, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Also, fish in general is a good source of B-complex vitamins, vitamin A, and minerals like selenium, that help reduce wounds, erythema, scaling skin, and itchiness. Examples: tuna, sardine, trout, and salmon. Seeds. As well as being high in fiber, seeds also have a lot of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin E, selenium, and magnesium. Seeds help reduce reactions within the inflammatory process and decrease psoriasis symptoms. Examples: sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flaxseed, and chia, amongst others. Fruit. Varying your intake of fruit every day increases the amount of fiber in your diet as well as guarantees a good intake of vitamins and minerals, such as B-complex vitamins, vitamin C and E, potassium, magnesium, and even flavonoids. Taking these types of vitamins helps to heal skin lesions faster. Examples: orange, lemon, acerola cherry, kiwi, banana, avocado, mango, papaya, grapes, blackberries, and raspberries. Vegetables and leafy greens. Vegetables provide a good amount of fiber, and they are sources of vitamins A and C, and folic acid. They also act as antioxidants, reducing inflammation and consequently the symptoms of psoriasis. Examples: carrot, sweet potato, beetroot, spinach, cabbage, and broccoli. Olive oil. Olive oil is a good source of polyunsaturated fatty acids, a good kind of fat that can help decrease the inflammatory process. Other vegetable oils can also be used since they are a good source of vitamin E, which is very important for the skin. Examples: extra virgin olive oil, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil.